Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we would like to present our project, which is applicating metric in real life to calculate the price per kilogram of the fruit. We are from Group 1, A4CS143-4C. There are 5 members in this group. My name is Nur Hafiza binti Muhammad Daud. I will present introduction
and the purpose of the study.
Hi, my name is Noranis Adelina binti Zaidi and my matrix number is 2019-200418, and I will explain about the methodology that we use in our case.
Konnichiwa, I am Noris Fatira binti Ismail. My matrix ID is 2019-254-636 and I will explain about result.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjati Sofia binti Nursuddin. My matrix number is 2019-226192.
And I will present to you about discussion.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nadira binti Azizan. My student ID is 2019-274384 and I will explain and summarize about our case study in conclusion.
Introduction. History of metric. The concept of metric was first referred as a metric in 1850 by James Joseph Sylvester. They were first used in Chinese text called 9 Chapters of Mathematical Art, which had the idea of determining and solving system of equation with a metric. Gaussian elimination, a popular name for one of the Chinese metric method. Godfrey Leibniz began by extracting coefficients of linear equation and arrange them in a metric. Gaussian elimination is a method for solving system of equation with 3 or more variables that include reducing the majority of metric number to 0 or creating an identity metric. It is being done by using the elementary row operation. Arthur Kelly come with metric multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. He also contribute inverse theory and scalar multiplication of matrix.
First, problem statement. Due to the forthcoming MCO, the fruit stall in Arau is having a clearance sale. Zarfan, Mael, and Iwan, the 3 friends, choose to spend their time there to support the seller.
Objective. The study aim are to calculate the price per kilogram of the fruit mentioned in the problem statement, which is apples, banana, and rambutan. We also want to determine the best strategy to solve this problem by using metric to deal with the challenges listed below. We have chosen to use grammar rule to solve this problem.
Hello everyone, my name is Noranis Adelina and I will explain about the methodology in our case. There are a few steps that we need to do in order to solve this problem. In this case, we will be doing the Cramer's rule. Please refer the photo that I have attached for a better view. Firstly, we need to write the information we have into linear equations. Next, we put the equation into its matrix form, which is AX equal to B. Please take note that we only need to proceed with the Cramer's rule if the matrix is a square matrix. And then, we need to calculate the determinant of A. We can proceed to the next step if A is not equal to 0. Then, write the matrix of AX, AY, and also AZ. And we need to calculate the determinant for AX, AY, and AZ. And finally, we can find the solution by using the formula. We will proceed with IFA for the application of this method. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about result. The result that we are gathered are based on the approach taken in methodology. First step is substitute the fruits into variable. Let x equal to apple, y equal to banana, and z equal to rambutan. Second step, write the information into a linear equation. In the problem statement state that there are 3 persons, so we have a 3 equation. First equation is 4x plus y plus 2z equal to 34. Second equation, 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 35. Third equation, 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 49. Step number 3, put the equation into metric form ax equal to b based on the equation before, and then we can put it into the metric form like this. So step number 4, since the matrix is a square matrix, we can proceed with the Cramer's rule. We take it the first column first. 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. For step number 5, calculate the determinant of A since A not equal to 0. So we can proceed that determinant of A, we have to know that half of this is plus, minus, and plus. So calculate all of this and we will get determinant of A is 4. Step number 6, write the matrix of AX, AY, and AZ. So matrix of AX we get 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. AY 4, 2, 2, 34, 35, 49, 2, 3, 5. AZ 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 34, 35, and 49. Number 7, we have to calculate the determinant for AX, AY, and AZ. After we calculate this one, and we will get determinant of AX equal to 20. Determinant of AY equal to 32. Determinant of AZ equal to 12. A. Find the solution by using I equal to determinant of AI divided by determinant of A. When we want to find X, we have to substitute determinant of AX divided by determinant A. So 20 divided by 4, we will get X equal to 5, Y equal to 8, and Z equal to 3. So the result of our study brings us to conclude that by using the Cramer's rules, we could solve our daily problem. Referring to our solution, we found out that the seller sells apple for Rm 5 ringgit per kg, banana for Rm 8 ringgit per kg, and rambutan for Rm 3 ringgit per kg.
Research has shown us the importance of linear algebra in our daily life, not only specialized subject but in area as broad as budgeting. As this study comes to a close, we may conclude that we have been using complicated mathematical reasoning to meet our demand in our daily life. And in our result, we were successful in obtaining the pricing of the fruit sold in our problem segment as per our aim. We also discovered the most efficient method for solving the difficulties and obtaining the correct answer to the question. We were also able to practice using metric in our daily life in order to become more familiar with it.
In conclusion, Cramer's rule is a viable and efficient method for finding solution to system with an arbitrary number of unknowns. Provided that we have the same number of equations as unknowns, Cramer's rule will give us the unique solution to a system of equations if it exists. By using Cramer's rule, we can calculate the price per kilogram for the apples, banana, and rambutan sold by the store. If the price of each fruit is known, we can know the price per kilogram for the apples, banana, and rambutan. We can conclude that we indeed have been using complex mathematical reasoning in our life to fulfill our needs. Solving a system of equations using Cramer's rule is much faster and efficient than other methods. It also requires some additional knowledge of rows and matrices, but the benefit far outweighs the challenge of learning some basic rule of row operation.